What it do, boo? Let's get into these combos, shall we? We shall. Alright, so I'm just starting off putting Vaseline on my lips. That's the only thing I can use that does not break me out. The chapstick, the Carmex is not for me, okay? So we're going in with the Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick by Maybelline in 85 Protector. And this is a brown. So what I love about these is the tip of the wand works very well as a liner. So you see I didn't have to go in with the liner. I used this as the liner. And I'm heavily lining my lips, going around the perimeter, leaving the middle space blank for this Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Toffee Talk. So I'm just slapping that in the middle, zhuzhing my lips together, and this is going to be the combo. So I wore this lip with the last makeup look I did, this glittery fall glam. I'll link it above in the cards if you want to check it out. But this is a go-to for me. It's the perfect mix of chocolate and gray. So if you want to combine the two to make your own kind of special lip combo, if you're just sick of the chocolate and the gray separately, this is a good look. So then I just went in with a little bit more of the gray, put as much or as little as you would like, based on how you want it to look, and then I use my fingers to blend in the two colors together. So it really creates that seamless ombre effect with no harsh lines. So yes, this is lip number 1, the perfect chocolate gray combo. Alright, so now just wiping off the first and going back in with Vaseline. I'm now going in with the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in 75 Fighter. And then we're also going to be going in with this lip pencil by Nicka K. I believe this is in coffee. I'll have it down below. It might be cocoa. I'm pretty sure it's cocoa. And I got this from my local beauty supply. All my lip liners, y'all, come from the beauty supply, okay? The Nicka K, the Ruby Kisses, the Ebin. I refuse to pay 30-something, 20-something dollars for a lip liner. I just won't do it when there are great ones that cost me 99 cents to $2.99. Okay? We're frugal. We are money conscious. So I just can't do it. Something in my spirit, the ancestors tell me no every time I look at a high price lip liner. So I'm going in with that brown first. And then I also used another lip color, and it is in a reddish brown or brownish red. It's by Ebin. I'll have that down below. And I put the 75 Fighter on top. So this kind of gives us that, I call it the peanut butter look, the peanut buttery lip. All right, and then I'm just going back around my lips with the brown that we used at first. So I started with the coffee brown or the cocoa brown. And then I went in with the reddish brown or the brownish red. Then I went on top with Fighter. So layering like that gets you this kind of terracotta, really pretty, like I said, just lighter brown lip. Now, all of these are able to be taken up to a gloss, because if you're like me and you like options, okay, I'm just going over this with my e.l.f. lip lacquer in clear. As you can see, I have turned it brown because I always put it over a brown lip. But bam, this is how you take it from matte to glossy, if that's your vibe, girl, okay, because we are what? Versatile. And we move on. So we're actually going back to 85 Protector, and then we're going to use this Ruby Kisses Ultra Easy eyeliner in Intense Black. Now, fun fact, eyeliners last longer on the lips than lip liners do. I kind of get the science behind it. Your eyes be watering, so people try to make stuff last longer on the eyes than the lips. However, you can use any black liner you have. If it's a lip liner, if it's an eyeliner, just use black, girl. And then go in the middle with 85 Protector or a brown lip. So this is a really good combo because it really just intensifies the chocolate in this brown. It can come off a little lighter if you don't use a darker color, which is why I love it with the black. So I'm here for an all black lip. That's more so my winter steez though. So to keep it in the fall, I go with a brown in the middle. All right, and you just want to wait for that to dry. Then I go back over with another layer because it wasn't dark enough for me. So you can layer these really well if you let them dry first and then go back in with what you want to do and kind of clean it up from there. And there we have our dark chocolate black smoky lip. All right, it's giving me s'more. Okay, and then I'm going on top of that with a gloss. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in Ginger Snap, I believe. And it is a chocolate gloss, so it pairs really well with this chocolate lip. So again, another way for you to take it up a notch on the folks. And we move on. So now we're gonna go into a burgundy kind of steez. I was gonna start lightest to dark, but I went darkest to light. So here we are. So I'm taking the Ruby Kisses Ultra Easy Lip Liner in burgundy, and then same thing, a Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in 50 Voyager. So that is going to be our burgundy combo, just these two. Now, if you want to deepen this up, you can definitely add some black in there to really give it some intensity. I have a lip combo that is more so for 99J hair, that kind of dark purplish burgundy lip. If that's what you're looking for, I'll link that in the cards above right here, so you can also check that out if you're wanting something a little bit more smokier and deeper. But I thought this one was just a beautiful wine. This is giving me Stella Rosa. Okay, she's giving me dinner, date night. You can wear this to work and everybody not gonna be looking at you crazy. Okay, so one of my favorite combos. I love red lips, burgundy lips, mauve lips. It's for me. So this is another great lip combo. Then I'm just putting some Vaseline on top, girl. Like I said, you can take anything up glossy if you choose. So I just threw some Vaseline on top. It was so easy. So now going into our lightest and last lip look. This is the Superstay Matte Ink in 55 Driver. And this is a light nude. Then I'm taking the Ruby Kisses Ultra Easy Pencil in brown. And then I'm also taking Cork by Ebin. Like I said, I'll have all lip liners listed down below, so you're not left in the dark, okay? So we want to start off with Cork. Always start off with your darker brown and work up to your lightest color. That's the key to a good mix, a good ombre. Then I'm going on top of that with the Ruby Kisses in brown, because it's a lighter brown, more peanut butter themed type of liner. And then you want to go in the middle with your nude, all right? Your nude is the last thing that you do. And then you want to zhuzh your lips together. Use your fingers, guys. Okay, you can use a lip brush, but your fingers are the best tool you have. They have a little warmth to them, and it really helps melt everything together. So touch up with the liner like I'm doing to your liking, and boom, you have a soft, nude, but fall appropriate lip if you're not feeling the color, because we all need a nude lip for fall, all right? And then, of course, you can go on top with a gloss like I'm going to do. I'm just taking that same NYX lip lacquer in clear and going on top to really take it up a notch if you're not feeling the matte. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps your girl out a lot. And also make sure you are subscribed and you are a member of the Trees Tribe, because if you're not, baby, what are you doing? I want you to be better. So go ahead and do better and hit the subscribe button, okay? Okay. I will include everything I used down below in the description box per the usual. Let me know if you like the combos, if you had any suggestions, which one was your favorite. Talk to your girl. I like to converse with you guys. Oh, and also follow your girl on Instagram and Twitter. It is the same as my channel. All my stuff is the same across the board, and that is Trice. Okay, I promise that is it. I don't have anything else to say, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.